In today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial and review using the Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint, which I have here. Apologies for the bottle. If you've seen my videos before, you've seen this used in countless get ready with me's and that kind of thing. I love this product. It's lasted me for ages. The video is going to start with a very quick application of the product so you can see before and after, and I'll do some close-ups. And for now, let's get into the application, and then afterwards I will talk to you a little bit more about the product. This has got next to nothing coverage, but it's definitely there and it definitely makes a difference on my skin, as you could see through the application. A lot of people don't like this because they just feel that it does absolutely nothing to their skin, but I completely disagree. I think that it does just enough. The products that I usually try in terms of like foundations, BB creams, tinted moisturizers, that kind of thing are still too much, and I often have to really kind of shear them out with moisturizer or something like that to be able to get the natural finish that I want from a product. This has got a nice glossy, dewy finish on the skin. So if you've got particularly oily skin or you're looking for more of a matte finish, then this might not be for you, because it does have that hydrated, glossy, glowing finish on the skin, which I personally love. So if you've got dehydrated skin or you're in need of some glow with a super natural coverage, then this could be a really good option for you. The shade range is inclusive, even though I think that there's only like 5 or 6 shades in the whole range. It does go from light right down to dark. Because the finish is so sheer on this, the medium, for instance, will cater to various different skin types. So one shade will kind of have more of a broad reach in terms of skin tones. This works as a really good color corrector on my skin. So I've got a little bit of redness, and the medium, because it's got a slightly kind of yellow undertone to it, I find that that does a great job at taking away redness and just kind of blurring out my skin tone enough. I think that's everything you need to know about this product, but if you've got any questions, just let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up and a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.